In this video, I'm going to show you our improved interface for creating meeting events for your internal and external guests. Let's jump in now and do a quick demonstration so I can show you exactly what's new. From the room schedule section, which is this calendar icon in the left-hand menu, we can select our room and select our time. So I'll click here. And we'll notice that the event creation panel now takes up the entire height of the screen, making it really easy for me to see all of the fields and all of the information that I need. Additionally, the More Options button at the bottom of the panel has now been removed because all of the options are now available in the updated event panel. All these fields are open and I can immediately just start inputting my details. I'll select my date, my time. So I've added in a couple of attendees for this meeting here. One of them is internal and one of them is external. Managing our attendees is now much easier as we have these labels which will highlight who is the host and any external attendees. I can also upload attendees if I want to using a CSV file. So if I have quite a lot of attendees that are joining this meeting, then I can do it all in one go. Another new feature that we have here are these icons for in-office and remote. So it's really easy to configure who is going to be attending in the office and who is going to be attending remotely. By default, it will set internal attendees as in office and external attendees as remote, but we can change it by toggling these icons. So I'm going to set everyone to in the office. So we also have our conferencing, which is included by default, and this works with both Microsoft and Google. And having this included by default is really useful in case any of our attendees are unable to join in the office at the last minute. Once we've got all of our details and all of our attendees configured, I can create this event. Now I've created my event, but the system has detected that I had an external attendee marked as in the office. And now we have this pop-up giving us the option to create a visit. So we can create a visit or we can dismiss it. And just a quick note, to be able to create a visit for an external guest, we will need the visitor management module available for this location. And we can see here that one person can't be added. So visitor is missing required fields. We need to add some more information about this person. So I'll click on their name, I'll click edit, add in their details and hit update visitor. Now that's done, I'll create the visit, and if we just take a quick look in our visitor management section, I can see that our visitor has been created in the system. Let's go back into our meeting invite. So we can see in the schedule our meeting, but let's say we need to change some of the details. I can click into it and edit it. I'll click on this pencil icon and it will open it up just as it was before. I can see this person is now tagged as a visitor. Now what if you wanted to assign a different host for this meeting or make someone an organizer? Well, if you have the relevant permissions to book on someone else's behalf as a delegate booker or a schedule admin, if I click on my colleague's name here, I've got permission to make them an organizer. So I can make them an organizer of the event, which again will add that label in so it's really clear and easy to manage. Then I can update my event, and that's now created. Now, whether you create your events by clicking on a meeting room in the floor plan or by using the room schedule like I just did, the interface is going to be exactly the same, making it consistent across the platform. At RICOH, we're all about enhancing productivity, and this update is just one of the ways that we're making it easier to manage your meetings, attendees, and spaces all from one place. For more information on this feature, you can go and check out the written article on the RICOH Spaces Help Center. And of course, you can find all of our videos on the RICOH Spaces YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.